So in the packaging of your Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds, you do get extra ear tips. And so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your ear tips. Now this is very simple. You have to remove the current ear tip and then choose one of these. So you have different sizes. This is extra small, and then you have extra small, and then you have small, and then large, and then extra large. So depending on your ears, you just want to go and get the correct size, and you can just keep trying a few until you get the proper fit for your ears. Now I'm gonna go for the extra small, okay, because for some reason this thing just don't sit in my ear. So just pull them out of their packaging. Okay, so it's going to be just a simple pull like that, and then you want to grab one of the earbuds, and then to remove the current ear tip, you want to just lift the sides like that, and then just hold it like this, pinch it a bit, and then just twist it so you can just pull it out. Okay, you might also want to use the tip of your finger just to kind of just pull it out like that, just gently. Okay, now once that is out, then you can now replace with another tip. So basically what you need to do is just hold it like this. Okay, and then you want to put this in there. The best way to do it is to start sideways and then just push the ear tip onto the earbud until it sits properly in there. Okay, so let's try and just pry it in. This one is the smallest type or the smallest size, so you need a bit of effort. The best way, like I said, is to do it from the side. Okay, so just push it in there just like that until it sits. Okay, and if you want to know if it's sitting properly, you can be able to lift the sides like that. Okay, and make sure it's just sitting properly all around, and then it should be good to go. Then now you can just drop the ears like this, and then that's the different tip, and you can do that for the other earbud as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.